Welcome back, Toy. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast or just curious about the latest rides hitting the streets, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Boy, a classic bike that's making waves this year. So, buckle up and let's get started. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. This iconic cruiser has been a staple in Harley's lineup for decades, and the 2025 model brings some exciting updates that both loyal fans and new riders will appreciate. Let's explore its design, performance, technology, and how it stacks up against the competition. First up, let's talk about the design. The Fat Boy is known for its distinctive look, and the 2025 model does not disappoint. Harley Davidson has maintained its signature styling while incorporating modern elements. The bike features the classic wide front tire and the famous solid disc wheels that are synonymous with the Fat Boy. The color palette this year is particularly striking, with options like the classic vivid black, a bold gunship gray, and a stunning deep red. Each color is complemented by chrome accents that enhance the overall aesthetic. The bodywork has sleek lines, and the iconic Fat Boy silhouette is instantly recognizable. One of the most notable updates is the addition of LED lighting throughout the bike. The headlight, taillights, and turn signals are now LED, offering improved visibility and a more modern look. This change not only enhances the bike's presence on the road but also aligns with contemporary standards for safety. Moving to the seat, the Fat Boy maintains its low-slung profile, which is perfect for both cruising and city rides. The seat is plush and ergonomically designed, providing comfort for long journeys. The handlebars have been slightly repositioned for better reach, making it easier for riders of different heights to handle the bike comfortably. Now, let's get into the heart of the Fat Boy, its performance. The 2025 model is powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, which delivers an impressive 100 horsepower and 119 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is designed for smooth acceleration and a thrilling ride, whether you're on the highway or navigating city streets. The Milwaukee-Eight engine is known for its balance of power and efficiency. It features a dual-cooled system that keeps the engine running at optimal temperatures, which is especially beneficial during long rides in warm weather. The engine sound is iconic, a deep rumble that every Harley enthusiast loves. This year's model also includes an upgraded 6-speed transmission that ensures seamless gear shifts, enhancing the overall riding experience. The Fat Boy handles beautifully thanks to its responsive suspension system. The front forks are designed to absorb bumps with ease, providing a smooth ride over various terrains. For braking, the Fat Boy is equipped with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, offering reliable stopping power. The anti-lock braking system ABS is standard, adding an extra layer of safety for all riders. In terms of technology, the 2025 Fat Boy embraces modern advancements while keeping the classic Harley feel. The bike features a 4-inch touchscreen display that provides essential information at a glance, such as speed, fuel level, and navigation. One of the standout features is the new Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can connect their smartphones to the bike, allowing them to take calls, listen to music, or use navigation apps without taking their hands off the handlebars. This integration makes it easier to stay connected on the road. Another noteworthy update is the inclusion of a USB charging port, making it convenient to keep devices charged during long rides. Whether you're using your phone for navigation or listening to your favorite playlist, the Fat Boy ensures you stay powered up. Comfort is paramount when it comes to long rides, and the 2025 Fat Boy has been designed with that in mind. The seating position is low, which gives riders a sense of stability and control. The foot pegs are positioned to allow a natural leg position, reducing fatigue during extended journeys. The updated handlebar height provides a more relaxed riding posture, making it easier to navigate city streets and highways alike. The bike also features a lighter overall weight compared to previous models, enhancing maneuverability. Additionally, the passenger seat is spacious, providing comfort for your riding partner. The backrest is well padded, and the foot pegs are positioned for easy access, making it a great choice for two-up riding. Harley Davidson has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 Fat Boy is no exception. Alongside the standard ABS, the bike comes equipped with a traction control system that prevents wheel spin in slippery conditions. This feature is particularly valuable for riders who might encounter unpredictable weather. The enhanced lighting system not only improves visibility for the rider but also makes the bike more noticeable to other motorists, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the Fat Boy includes a security system with a key fob, adding an extra layer of protection against theft. One of the joys of owning a Harley Davidson is the ability to customize your ride. The 2025 Fat Boy offers a wide range of accessories and options for personalization. From upgraded handlebars to custom seats and exhaust systems, riders can tailor their bikes to fit their unique style and preferences. Harley's extensive catalog of parts means you can make your Fat Boy truly one of a kind. Whether you want to enhance performance, improve comfort, or simply change the look, the options are nearly endless. Now, let's briefly compare the 2025 Fat Boy to some of its competitors in the cruiser segment. Bikes like the Indian Chief and the Honda Rebel 1100 are popular alternatives that offer unique features and styles. The Indian Chief, for example, has a slightly more retro look and comes equipped with a larger touchscreen display. However, it lacks the raw power of the Milwaukee-Eight engine. On the other hand, the Honda Rebel 1100 is lighter and more agile, making it an excellent choice for newer riders, but it doesn't quite deliver the same iconic Harley sound and feel. Fat Boy. It's a powerful blend of classic design, modern technology, and unmatched performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just stepping into the world of motorcycles, the Fat Boy offers an exhilarating ride that's hard to beat. Its unique style and customization options make it a standout choice for anyone looking to express their individuality on two wheels. With a focus on comfort, safety, and performance, the 2025 Fat Boy is poised to continue its legacy as a beloved cruiser. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more motorcycle reviews, tips, and riding adventures. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Fat Boy. Are you a fan of this classic ride? Let us know in the comments below.